is tonight so silent?
Sometimes life reveals a secret, one that only those who truly see with their hearts can perceive.
How is this door here? The door is moving on its own? This place is so beautiful!
This place opens only for those whose hearts are pure.
Why is everything shining like this?
In this garden, every light was a sign of a good deed. And
Why is this light fading away?
when people forget goodness, the light begins to fade. In that moment, Ayaan understood, the light of the hereafter lives only through goodness.
So every light is a sign of a good deed?
Another light has faded away.
Please help me.
Leave me alone.
This light has faded because goodness was not done.
So when people do not do good, the light begins to fade?
So through goodness, the light grows brighter.
Every good deed keeps the light of the hereafter alive.
Perhaps I should go back.
If you want to increase the light in the hereafter, then do good deeds.
Even the smallest act of goodness keeps the light of the hereafter alive. That's why never miss a chance to do good.